Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this yummy roly-poly with strawberry jam. Super easy to prepare and delicious. So I'm gonna show you ingredients. Right now I have 200 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanillinated sugar, zest of half of a lemon, or you can use orange if you have. I'm gonna use the lemon, 100 grams of butter, 150 milliliters of milk, and 200 grams of strawberry jam. I will start mixing dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, sugar. I have here vanillinated sugar and I'm gonna add this one. Grate lemon zest, after mixing all dry ingredients, add cold butter. I cut it in pieces so it can be easier to mix with the rest of the ingredients. But as you can see, I'm not trying to incorporate the butter in my dough with my hands, at least not now. I am mixing it and cut it in smaller and smaller pieces using a spatula. And right now I'm adding milk and I'm trying to postpone mixing with my warm hands this dough as much as I can, because I don't want that butter to melt. My hands are pretty warm, so I'm trying not to melt the butter. I want to have it in small pieces, like pea size pieces in my dough. So I'm mixing with this plastic scraper. I'm gonna move now the dough on the table and not kneading it, more just squeezing it, tighten it, bring it in one single piece, as you can see. And when the dough came together, it's time to stretch it with a rolling pin. I'm gonna powder a baking paper with some flour. Powder the dough as well and stretch it with the rolling pin. Spread your favorite jam all over the dough. I prefer this strawberry one, and it was what I had in my pantry, so I'm gonna use it up, and it's gonna make a nice contrast color with the dough. I opened another jar because I finished the other one. So yeah, a few tablespoons add it over the dough, spread it. As you can see, the jam that I'm using has whole fruits, so I'm trying to mash them up a bit. Now roll the dough. Don't keep the paper inside, okay? Roll only the dough with the help of the paper. Roll the entire roll in that paper and move it also on aluminum foil. Tighten these, close these like a package at the ends as well. move it now on a rack, on a cooling rack that you have in your kitchen. As you can see, I have a dish here in which I'm gonna add water, and I'm gonna put the grill with my package with the dough inside over that dish, and I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. After baking, taking it out from the oven, open the aluminum foil and the baking paper. Looks amazing. I'm really curious how the layers inside are. So I'm gonna cut it in half, and to fit it on one of my serving plates, I'm gonna cut an end. Okay, I'm curious. I wanted to see. So I'm showing you as well. Pretty nice. So I'm gonna move it now on a serving plate. I'm gonna powder it with sugar while it's warm, and I'm gonna let it cool down. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'm hoping that you're gonna try it out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and find reasons to smile. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, have an awesome day. Bye bye.